We are We Do It Adventures, and today we're headed out on a 4-mile hike out in Brecksville, Ohio to test out our pack weight and our new shoes for this year's backpacking adventures. Let's get into it.